When starting with the Cobot, it's important that you have your home position selected. This is the point that the robot will insert at the start of every program. If we come over to the pendant, you can see this icon down here. This is my go to home icon. So if I press and hold it, the robot will go to home. This is the home position of the robot. So anytime I move it, if I want to send it back home, I press and hold it. Okay. Now, if this is not the position that you want your home in, let's say, for example, this is the home that I want for this Cobot. If I want to change that, I'm going to come over here to my set icon. And here you can see where it says the home position. Okay, the move to position is going to send the robot to the home position, but if I want this location here as my home, I'm just going to press and hold, select that save. And now if I move the robot, press and hold the move to home, this is the new location of the home for the Cobot. So now let's create the first program for the Cobot. To create a program, we're going to come over to the pendant. We're going to press Programs. And you can see we have a list of programs already here. We're going to go to New. And Program Name, and we will call it, Lab 1. It allows you to put a description in, and then we have our weld program. There is a list of 8 weld programs, and that is just referencing the auto continuum. So the weld schedule that you have set for your auto continuum, you will set it here. I'm going to use weld program 1. The Use Weld Wizard will allow you to enter the thickness of material and your wire diameter, and then it will provide you with suggested parameters to weld with. I'm going to enter my own parameters, hit continue, and then we get arc length, which is 50, wire feed speed, we'll say 300, and then travel speed is inches per minute, we'll go 24 inches per minute. The new program screen here is tabbed. So if I go over to Crater, we pre-populate some parameters here for your crater. If you want to change them, you can. If you are weaving, you can set up the weave. Everything looks fine, we go Create. The first point in the program, this is the home point. Whenever you create a program, the pendant will automatically insert the home program as a line. We have 2 comments. We have robot moves to home and start program. All of the points that we insert will go below this comment of start a program. Okay, so now that we have the program created, let's look at the Teach pendant and look at our navigation here. At the top, we now have our editing icons, our cut, copy, paste, and delete. We have our blink icon that will hide these editing icons. In the program, this first point here is the home point. So whenever you create a program, the home point is automatically inserted into the program. Again, insert line. We can insert an air move, a weld move, comment, wait, or a print part command into the program. We have an indicator to let us know that is it linear or is it set for circular. And then here is the weld conditions that we set at the start of the program, but we can always go back and edit them anytime throughout the program. All right, so let's start inserting points into the program.